The topic of this video is Indigenous populations. 50,000 years ago, humans migrated from Asia to Australia. How did they get to Australia? Well, they may have traveled by sea or by land bridge. A land bridge is a narrow and temporary link between two land masses. Who were these early people? They were the Aborigines. Aborigines were Australia's first developed human culture. Most scientists believe this culture dates from 30,000 BC. The Aborigines are considered the oldest continuous human culture in the world. Aborigine means from the beginning. Due to their isolation, Aboriginal culture and language developed separate from other human groups. Over time, more than 200 languages developed, and they were unlike any others in the world. How did they find food? The Aborigines were nomadic hunters and gatherers, which means that they followed their food sources around. The hot, dry climate of Australia also meant that there was a lack of water. Because of that, the people conserved water and carried it with them as they moved. The family dynamics. The Aborigines lived in clans or family units, and each clan had a close connection to the land it hunted. The land also held a spiritual meaning for them. For example, on the sacred rock Uluru, there were Aborigine pictographs or painted pictures. The pictographs are on the cave walls. The pictographs depict elements of the natural world, religious ceremonies, and historical events. In 1788, Europeans arrived in Australia. The European settlers viewed the Aborigines as uncivilized, and conflict soon arose between the two groups. Removed from their land, the Aborigines fell into poverty, and many died from disease. Today, Aborigines make up only 2.5% of Australia's population. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Now go watch the video on the seagoing societies.